Hello friends, Hasteni Jobs YouTube channel nora jotona lamsago fighting kesentini Tripura Hasteni Kotal job notification nailai notification korka Youth Affairs and Sports Department ni bisintina kotal job ni notification korka fighting kesang notification of full details nailai so friends notification okorifika Director of Youth Affairs and Sports Office Line 6 Abobon 4th floor Agotala West Tripura ni bisintina notification korka 2 August 2022 तारिख no तो friends और लाजकनाय judo and swimming post ni bagai na vacancy लाजकनाय हिनके friends Tripura hasti kobangma Khelo India ni center tongo o center no judo te swimming post ni bagai vacancy लाजकनाय fighting ke sang district wise Khelo India center ni mong te post nai lenai district tongo North Tripura Dolai Gumoti West Tripura Khwai o district no लाजकनाय North Tripura district ni bagai Khelo India center ni duita mong rajak tongo o duita no judo post ni bagai vacancy lajaknai tei Dolai district ni bagai hinke duita Khelo India center ni mungrajak tongo ekta hinke judo post ni bagai tei ekta hinke swimming post ni bagai lajaknai tei Gumoti district ni bagai hinke duita Khelo India center ni mungrajak tongo ekta hinke judo tei ekta hinke swimming post ni bagai West Tripura district ni bagai hinke Khelo India center ni mung duita rajak tongo o duita no judo post ni bagai vacancy lajaknai tei Khwai district ni bagai bo Khelo India center ni mung duita rajak tongo o kaini no judo post ni bagai vacancy lajaknai hanke friends o mongkha 1 year contractual basic na tilangjaknai tei norokni district ni mung o pasta district ni bisingo tongo hingke tei norokni district ni post ni bagai norok apply khaimanai tei norok North Tripura district o tongo hingke North Tripura district ni post ni bagai tei norok apply khaimanai Dolai district o tongo hingke Dolai district ni post ni bagai norok apply khaimanai tei norokni district Gumoti district hingke tei norok Gumoti district ni post ni bagai apply khaimanai tei norok jara o post ni bagai apply khainai tei norok ni application form na fill up khlaiui tei education qualification tei experience tei other testimonial certificate na select test khaiui tei re joma rina bagai address of Director Youth Affairs and Sports 4th floor 6 Bhuban office line Agartala pin number jotongo o address no thangai norok application joma marinai tei norokni application khaina bagai dere jotongo 5 August ni simi 20 August jora tini tei norok application khaimanai tei norok jotongo only 40 candidate rokno interview ni bagai call khaijaknai fighting kesang education qualification nailai minimum madhyamik pass khaijangke o post ni bagai apply khaimanai tei ro other essential qualification rijak tongo to friends or achievement rijak tongo tei norok national level ni competition khaijaknai NSF SGFI SAI in the specific sports discipline judo athletics swimming represent from Tripura state ni tei experience nangnai khaijaknai 7 years ni bagai coaching experience tei rijak tongo coaching experience as a coach but trainer from government organization tei government undertaking organization ni bisingo no norok 7 years experience khaijaknai judo tei swimming na tui maximum age limit 50 years jora o job ni bagai apply khaimanai o job ni bagai salary per month 25,000 rijaknai to friends o job ni bagai norok application khaina thangke tei ro application form rijak tongo tei norok video ni description thani application form no nainadi tei notification bo kaham khe naiui tei norok application khaidi।